Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you all how to get this Valentine's makeup look. So this is really simple, really easy to do, and this literally takes like 15 minutes. This makeup look is very versatile. You can wear it for anything, literally anything. It doesn't really matter if you're celebrating Valentine's Day or if you just want to grab some lunch with your girlfriends. So I have worn red, but you can use any color of lipstick you want. And I was really confused, should I go in with a red look or should I go in with some other color? I wanted to go in with a baby pink look or something, but that's my signature look, so I wanted to do something different. So I have created this red classic Valentine's makeup look. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. But before we get in, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. I am going to be using a primer. I am going to be using a silicone primer, and this is the Insight primer, and this is my go-to primer, and I just want to finish this off. If you're a beginner, this is a great primer for you. So you can start off with this primer. Also guys, I've moisturized my skin really well, so I'm directly gonna go in with a primer. And once I'm done with priming, I'm gonna go in with a base. Now you can also use a strobe cream or an illuminator. That would be great for Valentine's, but I'm directly gonna go in with my foundation. Okay, so I have my L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Stay Fresh foundation, and I'm just gonna take a little bit on my hand. I haven't used makeup in a long time and I'm scared it might expire, so I just have to finish off this makeup before I buy new products. And then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and blend it in. Also lift up your hair and make sure you blend the makeup on your hairline. I have a little bit of foundation on my hair, but that's okay, we can take it off later while doing our hair. I'm gonna curl my hair today. For my concealer, I'm gonna be using this Swiss Beauty concealer. This is a little light for my skin tone, and today that is exactly what I'm going for. Now all I'm gonna do is blend this in. So I'm gonna be taking my beauty blender, and here you go. Now you wanna make sure you take your time while blending, guys, because blending can make or break your makeup. So take your own sweet time, do not hurry. Now I'm gonna be taking my setting powder with my brush and starting with my under eyes first, because that's important, or else the skin under my eyes is gonna crease. Now I'm gonna take my beauty blender again and blend it in. Now that we are done with our base, I'm gonna move on to my eyes and then come back and contour, apply some blush and highlight my face. So first we are gonna apply some eyeshadow, and for my eyeshadow I think I wanna keep it very neutral because that's how Valentine's Day makeup is generally. So I'm just gonna move on to my eyelids first. Can we zoom in? So for my eyes, I'm gonna be taking this light brown shade from this palette. This is the Avon Mocha Latte Quad in the shade Latte. Take your time blending your makeup, guys. Just go very slow. So as I mentioned mentioned, this is a very simple makeup, so I don't need a lot. I'm just gonna go in with 3 shades. Once I'm done with this, I'm gonna be using this dark brown shade. This is more like an espresso shade. So what I've done is I've taken this espresso shade from this palette and I've applied it on my outer corners. And now I'm gonna be taking this light matte shade from here and I'm just gonna be applying it on my lid, and then I'm gonna be going in with a champagne and I'm gonna be applying it on my eyelid. I'm gonna be taking the same shade that I used earlier on my crease and I'm gonna be applying it on my lower lash line. Same goes with the second shade. But for this shade, I'm just gonna restrict it till half of my eye. Once I'm done with this, I'm gonna be applying my eyeliner, which is a gold eyeliner. In case you wanna go in with black, you're most welcome to, or you can go in with red or any other color. I thought of going in with red, but I think gold would be a classic combination. So I'm just gonna be applying some gold eyeliner. Okay, so I am slightly gonna drag this here on my crease. I think this is too light and it can't be seen. It's not that prominent. Thanks to the pandemic, all my makeup has dried out. So I'm done with my eyes and I don't want the rest of my face to look too flat. So I'm just gonna be contouring my face and then I'm gonna be adding some blush on and then some highlighter. So I've lightly contoured my face. I don't want it to be too dark because it's a very soft makeup look. Next, I'm gonna be going in with some blush on, and since this is a Valentine's makeup look, I want my blush on to be pretty prominent. Going in with a peachy pink shade. This is a color I generally don't use. I don't know if this is gonna suit me. For my highlighter, I'm just gonna take my highlighter brick and apply some highlighter on my high points. So I'm done with my highlighter, guys. Now I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild setting spray and spritz it all over my face. After spritzing some setting spray, I'm gonna be taking my beauty blender and dab it on my skin. Once I'm done with that, moving on to my lips, I'm gonna be using this lip pencil right here. I'm gonna take my spoolie and brush my brows. I generally don't have a habit of filling my brows, guys, because I've got thick brows already. With that, I'm done with my brows. For the last step, I'm gonna take my mascara and so yeah, that is it for my makeup, guys. Let's move on to hair. So I have just finished brushing my hair and my hairstyle is gonna be pretty simple. It's not gonna be too complicated. I'm just gonna take a few strands of hair and curl them. So I have my curler over here. It's hot. That is it for this video, guys. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you all did, you know what to do. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all super soon with another video. Until then,